Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with edit and delete categories. So let's go in the VS Code and we need to open the index blade in categories. And after the description, let's copy this one and add one more here and say I'm going to add an anchor tag and it's going to go in the route admin categories edit. We need to add the category ID here, and let me add some classes. So px4, py2, and add the bg, the bgreen 500, and on hover 700. bggreen 700. Also, let's say rounded, large, and the text is going to be white. Okay, let's say edit, close the anchor tag, and after that we need to add the form. So add the form, and I'm going to copy the class we have here to save some time. Paste it here, just change the bg to be red. Okay, and the method is going to be post. Action is going to be route admin categories destroy, and we need to add the category ID here, and let me do something like this. Okay, now we have an action, and on submit I'm going to say return confirm, and let's say are you sure? Okay, now we need to add the CSRF token here, and the method, we are going to override the method, which is going to be delete, and let's add a button to be type submit, and say delete here. Close the form, let's save it, and let's see what we got here. So refresh, and we get something like this. Okay, let's copy this one and the form, cut them, and add a div with class flex and space x2. Paste that in, save, come here and refresh, and yeah, now we have more nice. Okay, now if I click edit, we go to the categories one edit, and let's open the controller. So category controller, in the edit I'm going to use route model binding, so add in category $category here, and let return the view admin categories create, change this to be edit, and add the category here. Okay, save. Let's open resources, categories, and create, and let's save this as edit. So here, change the name to be editblade.php, and we need to make some changes. First, in the form, we need to change the row to be update, and add here the category ID. We need the CSRF token, and the method is going to be put. Here we have a name. Now add the value to be $, category name. For image, let's add also the image here, display the image we have. So I'm going to say add the div, and inside that I add an image, image with a class with 32 and height 32, and the source is going to be storage URL, and add the category image. Let's close this, and here we have the image and also the description. Here we have the text area, so let's add in here the $ category description. Okay, let's save it and let's see what, and also change this to be update. Okay, refresh, and yeah, here we have the image and we have the name and the description. Let's go to the controller. So when we hit the update, we need to come here, and I'm going to inject also the category here to use row model binding. This, and now first I'm going to say $image to be the category image, and if I'm going to check now if we have the image here, because maybe we want only change the name and description, or only the name, but we don't want to add image. So for that, I'm going to validate only the name and description. So $request validate and say name to be required, and copy and paste that, and change this to be description. So name and description is going to be required. After that, we add the image here, and we are going to check if the request has file, and the file name is image. I'm going to say first we need to delete that file we have. So say storage delete, and add the category image, and we need to import the storage. Okay, storage facade. After that, we are going to do the same thing we have in here. So let's copy this to save some time and paste it down there. So if we have image in the form, we are going to delete the image we have here, the category image, and we are going to instantiate this image with the new image. Okay, and after that, let say $category update, and say name to be the request name, also the description to be the request description, and image to be the same. So $image. And let's return to the row categories index. Okay, let's save it, refresh, and let's say Laravel update. Just we are going to update the name here. Click update, and we have the Laravel update. We don't update the image. So let's update the image now. Select image, and I'm going to select this one. And now remove the title, update, click update, and we change the image and change the name. Okay, now let's work with delete. Now when delete, we need to use the destroy method. So here also I'm going to inject the model category, $ category. And first I'm going to delete the category image. And after that, let's delete also the category itself. Okay, and return to the row category index. So let's save this, refresh, and I'm going to delete this one. Delete, are you sure? Click OK, and we delete it. Okay, let's delete this one as well. So delete, OK, and delete it. Okay friends, hope you enjoy. If you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.